Now students, we have to do the story sums on weight. Okay. So it is clear for you, weight means like that we are purchasing vegetables, grocery items, all these we are measured in weight only, that is kg and gram. Okay. So for now story sums. So for story sums already I told you the formula super. Super means slowly read the question. Okay. Like this, and after that we have to underline the figures which we want for need for the solution, and next is picturized like this. Here picturized is here. Okay, so because bought means purchased. Taken from the bought means taken from the shop. Okay, because bought 14 kg 200 gram of rice from one shop, and 17 kg to 950 grams from second shop, another shop. So how much rice did he buy in all? So how to understand? So you think in this way, from one shop you bought this much, from another shop you bought this much. So rice is increasing with you, weight is increasing with you or decreasing? Natural, first you bought 2 kg and then 3 kg, means you are feeling trouble. The weight is more, and whenever it is more goes to addition, right? So because bought this much kg of rice and one shop and this. So, and second sum also I am telling that, after that I will do on board. You see, second sum is the weight of two children. Okay, like that, you and your friend. So your weight is this much kg, this much gram, and your friend weight is this much kg, this much gram. So find the total weight. Total weight means again, your weight and your friend weight means weight is increasing in the sense, again additions. Okay. So this one is, you can take that this is picturized. So this is this is your weight, this is your friend's weight, and you have to find the total weight. Okay, so let us see. So now the language is also important. You have to write the language like this: because bought rice from one shop and another shop. Like this you have to write kg and gram. So you add it, already I have explained. So here it is 0 plus 5 is 5, 2 plus 9 is 11, 1 in the mind, 5 plus 7 is 12, 1 in the mind, 3. Okay, 32 kg 150 gram. This is yes, this one also you have to write total rice bought 32 kg 150 gram. Now the weight of two children. So like this, first child and second child you have to write. So first child is 27 kg 250 grams, second child is this. Now we again add this. 0 plus 9 is 9. This is gram, don't mistake, this is 9. 5 plus 5 10 0, 1 in the mind. 2 plus 1 is 3. 7 plus 2 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. 59 kg 309 gram. This is total weight. Okay, total weight, right? Now, so third sum is Mr. Pandit bought vegetables. Have you seen vegetables? Yes, tomatoes, potatoes, brinjals, so many vegetables you have seen now, student. So Pandit bought potatoes 2 kg 500 gram, tomatoes 1 kg 225 gram. So 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 2 is 2, 5 plus 2 is 7, 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is the total vegetables. Okay, total vegetables is how much? 3 kg 725 gram. Okay. Now sixth sum, Parvati bought this much of wheat flour. Do you know wheat flour? Every day we are eating chapati, that is wheat flour, right? So Parvati bought this much kg and this much gram of wheat flour in the month she used. Okay, particular month we are using, no? So now this much we have used and this much we have purchased, right? So you take it very simple manner that 12 kg you have purchased, your mother purchased, and your mother used 9 kg. Okay, then how much left over? So what to do? So this much, if you purchase 12 kg and you use 9 kg, then how much left over? Yes, 3 kg. How did you get that 12 and 9? If you add it, you will get, no, subtract. Yes, 12 minus 9 is 3 kg left over. So like this we will do this sum. Okay, sixth one, and next this one also. After that we'll do the eighth sum. So I will explain first. Let us see the sixth sum. Sixth sum is Parvati bought wheat flour this much, and then go for subtraction. Just I have told, explained, 0 0, this one you take as 15. 15 minus 8 is 700 here, then 15 minus 8 is 7, and it will become 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. So how much left over at your home? 2 kg 700 gram wheat flour. Left over, here you write, left over at home. Left over at home, 2 kg 700 gram. Okay, now see 8th sum. So this is a different one. That's why I am explaining here that a fruit seller. Have you seen fruit seller? Yes, this is fruits, showing the picture. So fruit seller had this much kg of apples, 50 kg. One basket of apples he purchased, he bought, and that is 50 kg. Okay, from that he sold this much kg to one customer and this much kg to another customer. After selling these apples to those customers, how much left over with him we have to find. So how you will understand? You try to understand in this way. To first customer 5 kg, to second customer is 7 kg. So first we have to find out how much total apple he sold. Okay, so 5 plus 7 is 12. How much he had? 50. So how much now he left with him? So we have to go for subtraction. You can do like this also. Okay, just I am telling another way also. If it is easy, you take it. So from 50 first you subtract 5, and then how much you will get it. From there also you can subtract 7. Like this also 2 times we have to subtract. Like this also we can, because the shopkeeper is selling. No, selling means going out. Going out means subtraction. So like this also we can do, and I will do first we add these two and then we subtract. Okay, see here, fruit seller had 50 kg of apples, sold to first customer is this, second customer is this. So add it. 0, 1 in the mind, 3, okay, 6 plus 2, 8, okay, 6 plus 2, 8, this is 3, and 5 plus 7, 12. So this one, how much left with him? You have to subtract 12 and 12 kg 830 gram. Subtraction please you do yourself. This one you 0 0, this one you take 10, this one you take 9. Like this you do it. So thank you students. Have a nice day. Happy learnings. Stay safe. Okay. Bye.